In this video, we will show you how to make a graph in Google Sheets. To make a graph in Google Sheets, first we need to create some data here. We want to create data 1 until 10, for example. Okay, now let's create for the title, and we make some border. This is value, and this is title, for example. We want to make alphabet to create fast data here. After creating data like this, we can select chart menu to make a graph. Click this, and you can reposition. Let's hide some cell that we don't use in here. Double click to chart to showing the properties. Okay, first we need to insert the range for the title and values. Just focus on data range first and click this. Just delete the old data, and we can select data by blocking data like this, and this is for title, and add another range for the values. Now click OK. Okay, the basic of creating chart is done. Now we need to create some title for horizontal axis title. For example, this is for title, and then you can right click again and chart axis, select vertical axis title, and this is for value. You can also creating the title of the chart. Just select chart title, and this is some data, for example. Also, you can change the graph style and double click again. In the setup, you can select a chart type in here. Okay, just select a graph you like, and here we are have done to create graph or chart on Google Sheets. That's all tutorial how to create graph in Google Sheets. Hope this video helpful for you.